Well, hello Saber junkies. So I wanted to make this real quick video just to show how to use Aurebesh fonts in Tinkercad. So let's say you're wanting to make yourself a chassis. Let's do the sides and segments there. Let's make it 28 millimeters. Pretty average size for a chassis. And we're just going to leave that right here for a second. Now you want to go over to your search bar. You can go down and find this, but just search for font. It's the easiest way, and you'll have this one right here that says custom font text. Drag and drop that in over here, so you can put in whatever text you want. I am going to put in Wade Sabers. Now you can change the size of this at any point that you want, but I'm going to change it now to, let's say, 15 millimeters. I'm going to go with 20 millimeters, and height, let's turn it this way since we're going to, oh, isn't that nice? There we go. Okay, so let's just make it look halfway decent anyway. Alright, so I'm showing the hardest way. If you do it vertical, turn it sideways and do it vertical, it's not as difficult, I suppose. I just wanted to show exactly how to do this as quickly as I can. So let's go to this. Now you're going to have this box over here. So to get the fonts, you just want to go to Google or whatever search engine you use, type in Aurebesh SVG font download, and you can get it from the font right here. Click on that and you can download the different ones. I already have it saved, so what we're going to do is go over here. These are the different ones that I have saved. I'm just going to use the standard one. Drag and drop that into where it says drag a file here, and now it changed it into the Aurebesh language. So let's make this one, let's copy this real quick and make it a whole. So that's going to be too big. Let's make this 15. Go over here, just kind of shrink it a little bit, so that's the size that we want. Now the reason I made this longer, I'm going to center it so that it will line up just like that. So we're going to cut a curve right there in it, so we want to group those together, and there's our curve. Now turn that into a hole, drag it over here. You can put this anywhere you want. Just for this point, I'm just going to put it right here. I want to center it there. Now I want to move this in close to it. I've got this set down here, as you can see, on 1 millimeter, so I'm going to make it 1 millimeter deep. So I'm right up against the edge of it now, and so right now we're at 1 millimeter. You want to group this together. And there you go. There you have Aurebesh Wade Sabers. Now, of course, you can do this, vertical. You can do it any way you want to do it. This is just the basic, just to show you how to do it. Whatever size that you're using, you want to use that as your hole to do the cutout curve. So all you have to do is copy it. I mean, we can do it in any size that you want to do it in, but that just shows you the example right there. And if you guys want any other type of tips on Tinkercad, on chassis or anything, just let me know in the comments. And have a good one.